Hello dear learners and welcome in this discussion module of wholesaler. After completion of this module, you will be able to define wholesaler, classify wholesaler, state various functions of wholesaler, and also understand the services provided by wholesaler to the retailer, manufacturer and consumers. What is mean by wholesaler? Basically, wholesalers are merchant middlemen who acts as an intermediator between the manufacturer and the retailer. They buy goods or products in the large quantities from the producer and sell them to the retailer. Actually, the wholesaler who are dealing in pharmaceutical products requires a drug license from the health department of the concerned state government. The wholesaler sells the products or goods to the chemist and physicians. A wholesaler is called as a stockist if he is involving or he is deals in the items manufactured by a single firm or company. Next is about classification of wholesaler. Basically, the wholesalers are classified into three types: manufacturer wholesaler, retailer wholesaler, and wholesaler proper. Manufacturer wholesaler are nothing but the wholesalers who are engaged in manufacturing and selling of goods or products. They may not only sell their own products to the retailer but may also make large scale purchases from other manufacturers to meet the demand of the retailers. In this way, they reduce their overhead expenses by increasing their turnover. Second type is retailer wholesaler. Retailer wholesalers are generally engaged in purchasing of goods or products in bulk from the manufacturer and sell them in retail to the customers. In this way, they act as a wholesaler as well as a retailer. Third type is wholesaler proper. These wholesalers are engaged only in buying and selling of the goods or products on the large quantities. They are also known as distributors. Now, let's have a look on various functions of wholesalers. First function is assembly. The wholesaler buys large varieties of goods from different manufacturers and sells them in small quantities to the retailers. The wholesaler also serves to distribute goods to the retailers, who are generally widely scattered. They play also vital important role in warehousing. The goods purchased from different manufacturers or producers are kept in stock in warehouses till these are distributed to the retailers. A wholesaler has to keep enough stock of goods with him with a view to meet the requirements of retailers without delay. Next function is about transportation. The wholesaler has to move the goods from the place of its production to his own warehouse and then from there to the retailers. Sometimes the wholesaler has his own vehicles for the purpose of moving and distribution of goods. Wholesaler also provides the credit facilities to the retailers and thus finances the retail trade. Risk bearing. Bulk buying and storage of goods for a length of time carries a number of risks such as changes in demand, spoilage or destruction of goods, loss due to theft in his warehouse. These risks are borne by the wholesaler. Next function is about pricing. The price which are fixed by the wholesaler is generally on the basis which the retailer determines the price that he will charge from his customers. Grading and packaging. Some wholesalers also perform the functions of grading of products according to their quality and also pack the goods into the smaller lots for retailers. And last function is about market research. The wholesaler is close to the retailers and from them he knows the needs of the customers or consumers. This helps in advising the producer to make goods in accordance with the demand and needs of the consumer. Now take a look on various services provided by the wholesaler first to the retailer. So these are the services which are provided by wholesaler to the retailer, that is wholesaler purchases goods from various producer and store them at one place for retailer. It means wholesalers provide warehousing facility to the retailer. Second service is they help in retailers by supplying the goods to them promptly as compared to their getting the supply from the manufacturer. Third is about the wholesaler buys goods in large quantity from the manufacturer and sells them in small large quantities to the retailer. Wholesaler also helps in stabilizing the prices by regulating the supply of goods and enable the retailers to earn a fair margin of profit. Wholesalers usually obtain a substantial discount and rebates from the producers and are therefore in a position to give special discount to the retailers on bulk purchases. They inform the retailers regarding new products introduced into the market. Also, they provide a credit facilities to the retailer, hence they finances the retail trade. And last service is about the risk bearing, as they bear most of the risk connected with the marketing and thus save the retailer from such a risk. Second service to the manufacturer. Wholesaler relieve botheration of the collecting orders and supplying the goods or products. They helps in the quick turnover, as the wholesaler trader helps in the large scale production of the goods by giving supply order for a bulk quantity. They usually make cash payment for the goods purchased from the producer, hence they helps to the manufacturer in quick turnover. Wholesaler also provides a warehousing facility to the manufacturers. Wholesaler trader maintains a sufficient stock of goods at all times during the year, and thus in a way they provide a warehousing facility to the producer and as well as retailer. And they provide market information to the manufacturers so that they can regulate their production accordingly. And also they helps to the manufacturer in maintaining uniform rate of production by placing advance supply orders. And last service is about to the society or consumers. First one is the wholesaler sells the goods to the retailers at uniform prices, which helps in bringing uniformity in price or retailers. They purchases large quantity of goods from the producer, which helps to cut down the cost of production. Therefore, consumers are able to purchase the goods at a reasonable price. They inform about the taste of the consumer, that is demand of the consumer, to the producer. With the result, consumers are able to purchase goods of their liking. Wholesalers also conduct market research from time to time. This helps in the improvement in the existing product, and consumer gets better quality products at a reasonable price. And last is about wholesaler helps in maintaining a balance in demand and supply, and also helps to stabilize the price of the goods or products. So here is all about the wholesaler, functions of wholesaler and services provided by the wholesaler to the retailer, manufacturer and consumer. Thank you and happy learning.